Yo, yo, we're going down Fort Wayne, USF representing. Breaking it down with Nitro Staff. Ooh, what's that? It's just pain. It's making me insane.
Nitro Staff.
What's that? How does it work? It dilates my coronary arteries and increases my blood flow. It affects my whole body, man, like, whoa.
Nitro Staff.
Once you feel the pain, just slip one under your tongue. Negative pain, man, it should be done.
Nitro Staff.
If it's not gone and still hurting you, wait 5 minutes, then take number 2.
Nitro Staff.
I called 911, they're coming to get me. It's been another 5 minutes, so for now I'll take number 3.
Nitro Staff.
Now that it worked, my blood pressure's going down, and my chest pain, G, it's not even around. In this town, it's going down.
Nitro Staff.
Oh yeah, here's some things you gotta watch out for if this is true. Some of these side effects could harm me and you. Headache.
Nitrostat.
Dizziness.
Nitrostat.
Hypertension.
Nitrostat.
Tachycardia.
Nitrostat.
Weakness.
Nitrostat.
Blurred vision.
Nitrostat.
Syncope.
Nitrostat.
Dizziness.
Nitrostat.
Chest pain.
Nitrostat.
Abdominal pain.
Nitrostat.
Nausea.
Nitrostat.
Vomiting.
Nitrostat.
Flushing.
Nitrostat.
Intolerance.
Nitrostat.
Yo, yo, you can't keep it in your pocket or in your car, not even in a locket.
Nitrostat.
Don't touch it on your skin, because if you do, it just won't work again.
Nitrostat.
Once you pop the top, 6 months later, you gotta stop.
Nitrostat.
So call your doctor and get a refill, because if you don't, you just might get killed.
Word to Wendy Clark.